Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I'm going to unbox for you the Disney Showcase collection of Facets. So this is something that's new to me. I haven't really been keeping up with everything that's out there. It's made by UNESCO. But the reason why I bought this was because I have two granddaughters. One is 4 and one is not yet 1. My older granddaughter, Dino, and I purchased for her the Precious Moments train. So it has Prince Philip and then it has 12 Disney princesses on each set of the train. And then when our second one was born, I kept thinking that there was something out there that I need to get her. One for every month of her first year of life. And ended up not getting a thing. And then today when I was in Hallmark, I just remembered, you know, after seeing the train that I got my oldest granddaughter, I thought, oh, I got to get something for my newest grandbaby. So I said, even though I'm late, because she will be 1 in June, I thought this would be cute to get her. I think these kind of, to me, it just kind of looked like her personality. My oldest granddaughter is a real princess girly type, and so is my second granddaughter, but she's also kind of tougher. So I got this. This is made out of plastic. I think the price is, well, it was $24. $24.99, so $25. So do I think it's a good price point? No, I don't. But if you bought it online, it's $22.99. And I think if I can get some of these with coupons or, you know, so because sometimes you can earn coupons or points from Hallmark, that it would be good. I mean, I could use it to purchase these, but here's a look at Simba. And so Simba is all translucent except for his nose and his eyes. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so this is the first one that I got for her. And I don't know about you guys, but I think this is going to look really pretty in, well, here's the thing, guys. I keep it here at Mama's house. So my granddaughters call me Mama. So this stays at Mama's house. So I think this is going to look really, really good in my cabinet. But I was telling my husband I need another cabinet. Anyway, I think this is really nice. Like, I do think that the price point is a bit high. But I think if I search around, I can get it for cheaper. If you guys hear noise in the background, it's my husband making noise. So I bought her 2 actually today. The second one that I got for her was this Dumbo, and the Dumbo for some reason looks a little grayish. I'm not too sure why. Well, I guess because they colored it grayish. I'm not too sure why. It has, the hat is yellow, and it has, this is the Dumbo that has the little collar around its neck, and the eyes are painted. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is so cute. His ears are really long and dragging on the ground. But so cute. So these are the 2 that I got from my granddaughter. And I'll be getting more. And I'll be unboxing them on my channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. Take care. Bye.